Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today we're going to tell you ways to keep cool in Disney, whether it's Disney World or Disneyland or Disney anywhere. There is nothing better than going to a Disney park, but there is nothing worse than being at a Disney park and being overheated. It's not a magical place. It's not the best place in the world when you're hot. Well, no matter when you go, it's always hot in Florida. So we are going to give you some tips to keep you cool when you go to Disney. Now, the first tip that I want to tell you is if you have any kind of injury or illness, don't hesitate to rent a scooter. It's about $100 a day, but it will take you everywhere in the park and you won't get overheated. You won't have an asthma attack. You won't have a heart attack. You won't have a lot of problems. Feel free to rent a scooter. A lot of people do, and if you are ill, you need it. Now, the second thing you need to know is you need to stay hydrated. You can't walk around all day and sweat like a pig and not have something to drink. Now, everywhere in Disney, they offer you free ice water. You can go up to quick service and ask for ice water. You can ask for 2, 3, why not? Put them in a container. Now, I'm showing you this Mickey Mouse container that you can get at the hotel. You can put them in there so they stay cooler longer, but you can put them in any kind of container. Now, another thing you can do is you can bring a frozen water with you, and it will unfreeze as the day goes along. That helps a lot. Now, you can bring a cooler, but you cannot bring ice, and you need to be a small cooler. So you need to go to Disney and see those dimensions. But you can put in frozen water and various type of frozen packs that will keep stuff cool, whether it's a drink or an apple or cheese or some kind of food to keep you going. Now, there is also a good idea is to go into rides like the Haunted Mansion, the Hall of Presidents. Those types of rides are very air conditioned, and that is just what you need. Now, you can get a fan. You can bring a fan, or you can buy a fan and you can spray water on you. You can buy one in Disney. They're very expensive, so I say buy one in advance, but you can buy one there. Now, I've seen people with these. You put them around your neck and you put the fan on and it blows directly on your face. Different kinds of fans will help. You can also get cooling towels. You will go into a restroom, wet them, then you can put them on your face, you can put them on your neck, you can put them on your head to keep cool. You can dunk it in a water fountain if that's what you want. I always put one under my hat. It's great. Now, speaking of hats, you can buy hats that you can go in and put them under a faucet and then put them on your heads. I'd like to drop water on my head and let it get cool from time to time in Disney because that is perfect. Different hats can do different things. If you don't want a hat that's going to get wet, look and see what they have. Now, of course, you can always get a Dole Whip or an ice cream. They have those all around the parks, and they do keep you cool. There's nothing like having something cool to eat to take the heat off of you for a while. That is a perfect thing. Now, there are no so-called cooling stations, but you will find areas that you can sit in the shade. Shade is a wonderful thing at Disney. It is always fun to sit in the shade and just people watch. My last suggestion is take time to sit and eat. Most of the restaurants are air conditioned. It's nice to take a break, and this way you get at least an hour. You can sit there, you can order, you can get your drink, you can get what you want, and then once you've done all that, you will get refreshed and you will be ready to walk around again and see all the great things that Disney, Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Tokyo, Disney everywhere has to offer, because you don't want to miss that parade. You don't want to miss seeing anything. There is so much to do in Disney, and if you keep cool, you can do all of those. Well, thank you so much for watching. This is Rockin' Robin. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and watch all of our videos. Thank you so much.